Hello everyone, I am Chiranjeev Bhaumik, a PhD scholar in the School of Medical Science and Technology, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, India. Our paper is entitled as Computer-Aided Classification of Benign and Malignant Breast Lesions using Maximum Response Aid Filter Bank and Genetic Algorithm. So coming to the introduction, we know that breast cancer has affected the human community to a large extent due to its low survival rate towards the end state of the disease. It is a leading international health concern affecting mostly women and a small percentage men in developed as well as developing countries. It is seen that in spite of extensive research in drug development and therapy, the survival rate at later stage breast cancer is extensively low, especially when the extent of metastasis is large. Thus, early diagnosis can help us to a great extent. Here, the role of computer-aided diagnostic models are immense as it can help the radiologist by acting as a second reader. Here we propose a novel method to distinguish benign and malignant breast lesions using maximum response aid filter bank and genetic algorithm. In this paper, the images are obtained for the digital database for screening mammography. Here the sample size is 401, of which 200 are benign images and 201 malignant images. Also, the annotations of each of the masses are given in the database itself. So coming to the methodology, the first process is segmentation of the masses. Here, the region of interest are extracted from the entire mammogram by manual segmentation. That is, by drawing a rectangular region surrounding the annotations provided in the image and cropping them out. For each ROI, we perform some text-on-based analysis, and that is done through maximum response aid filter bank. Further, Harlick's features from the gray level Cochrane's matrix, histogram-based features from local binary pattern, and statistical features, namely kurtosis and skewness, are obtained from each of the filter response. For the purpose of feature selection and deduction, genetic algorithm and linear discriminant analysis has been used here. Further, the classification is performed using three well-known classifiers, that is linear SVM, logistic regression, and Naive-Bayes classifier with tenfold cross-validation. So now we'll give a brief introduction to textons. Textons are the fundamental microstructures, the basic details present in an image. They are considered as a basic building block which are analogous to human perception system and can be distinguished through textual analysis. In general, textons can be generated by convolution of an image with a specific set of filter bank. In this work, the filter bank that has been used here is the maximum response aid filter bank. The maximum response aid filter bank, it actually consists of 38 low dimensional and rotationally invariant filters. But surprisingly, there are only 8 filter responses. This is due to the reason that the resultant is obtained considering the maximum filter response at the given orientation. Here the filter bank consists of Gaussian, Laplacian of Gaussian, edge filters and bar filters at different scales and orientations. So here we can see the aid filter response for a malignant ROI. Feature extraction. Now for each responses of the maximum response aid filter bank, gray level Cochrane's matrix is computed at 4 angles, that is 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, and 135 degree with distance equal to 1. Then a single matrix is obtained considering the mean of the 4 responses, and all the 14 Harlick's features are obtained here. Also, local binary pattern histogram-based features are obtained from the region of interest. As we know, local binary pattern is a very efficient textual descriptor and has been used rapidly in today to analyze high-level textual feature. In this paper, we have used a rotationally invariant LBP whose number of neighbors are equal to 60. Further, two statistical features, namely skewness and kurtosis, are also obtained. For the purpose of feature selection, we have used genetic algorithm, and the various hyperparameters are set as below. For example, the number of chromosomes is set as 10, the maximum number of generations is set as 100, crossover rate is set as 0.8, and mutation rate is set as 0.01. For feature reduction purpose, linear discriminant analysis is performed. As we know, linear discriminant analysis is a technique for feature reduction or dimensionality reduction, which not only reduces the dimensionality of the feature vector, but also ensures that the separability of the class is maintained. After subsequent feature selection and reduction, further classification is performed. It is seen that the best results are obtained for the logistic regression classifier with accuracy, precision, sensitivity, F1 score, and area under curve as 87.5%, 87.5%, 87.5%, 87.5%, 87.56%, and 0.95 respectively. At the same time, the performance metrics, that is accuracy, precision, sensitivity, F1 score, and area under curve values for the naive-Bayes and linear SVM classifier is also given here. So this is actually the performance metrics for the proposed method. It is given in a tabulated method where the values, that is accuracy, precision, sensitivity, F1 score, specificity, and area under curve for each of the classifiers is given here. This curve corresponds to the receiver operator characteristics curve computed using logistic regression classifier. Thus, we can say that the texton-based analysis which is performed using maximum response 8 filter bank along with genetic algorithm and LDA as shown in the proposed method has distinguished benign and malignant lesions to a considerable extent, and the maximum accuracy of 87.5% and area under curve of 0.95 is obtained using logistic regression classifier and tenfold cross validation. So these are the references. Thank you.